Children, today I will discuss with you chapter number 8, which is known as median and mode, right? And in the previous chapter number 7, I told you the measure of central tendency. Basically there are three measures that you are concerned with according to your syllabus. These are arithmetic mean, then second is median, and then third is mode. You have completed the solution or understanding about the arithmetic mean. Now we will continue with the second one. This is known as median, and then we will proceed to mode. Now what is median? As I told you earlier that mean, median, mode, these are the measure of central tendency. Median is the central value of the series. So how will you define median? Median is the value of the middle item of a series. Whatever series or data is given to you, after observing the data, whatever is the central value you observe, this is called median. This is a simple definition of median. Now median is the value of the middle item of a series arranged in ascending or descending order of magnitude. When the data is given to you, it is in a raw form. Now this data has to be arranged either in ascending order or in the descending order. Why? Because then only you will find out the correct central value, right? So arrange either in the ascending or descending order, that is your choice, but the answer will be the same. So median is the middle item of the series, and the series are arranged in ascending, either ascending or descending order of magnitude. Magnitude, you understand, that means the total series of data from where to where it is stretching, right? Now median, the quality of median is that it divides the series in two parts. Median is the central value, and the central value is dividing the series into two parts. One part is below the central value and the second part is above the central value. So median is the central value dividing the series into two parts. This is clear here. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is given to you, suppose. Now here these are 7 figures. If you observe it clearly, then this will be the central value, because 3 figures are here and 3 figures are on the other side. So this 4 is dividing the series into 2 equal parts. This is known as median. Now another quality is median is positional average. This is called positional average, unlike mean, which is the mathematical average. Now what do you mean by this? In the case of arithmetic mean, you are calculating arithmetic mean by observing the whole series of data. So it is a mathematical average which considers the series in detail. It is not neglecting any particular figure. For example, here if you calculate mean, actual arithmetic mean of this data, then this will be 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7. That will be sigma x upon n. This is mean, and sigma x here is 28 upon 7, so mean will be 4. This is the arithmetic mean, right? And this is the mathematical average of the series of data. But median, this is a positional average. That means it is not considering these figures or these figures, it just locates the central figure and call it as median, provided the data is arranged in the ascending or descending order. Here the data is already arranged in the ascending order, so I have not changed it, and by observing you can clearly locate median as 4, whereas here again when you are calculating by arithmetic mean, then in this case also the answer is 4. So this way we say that median is the positional average which is not considering all the figures, it is just locating the central position, whereas median, it is the mathematical average which is taking into consideration all the figures, calculating the proper average and then find out the mean. It is the mathematical average, right? Now we will see how the mean is calculated, how the median is calculated with the help of example here. Given is the height of 7 students in a class. Now height in centimeters is 152, 141, 150, 143, 148, 145, 146. This is the height of 7 students in a class. Now what you are supposed to do? You are supposed to calculate the median height in this case, right? How to calculate median? Solution is here. First step is arrange in the ascending order or descending order according to your choice. In this case here I have arranged them in the ascending order. Now when we are arranging these figures in the ascending order, we will first take the lowest one, that is 141, then the second highest, then the third, then fourth, and so on, and the last highest figure is 152. So we have arranged them first in the ascending order. Remember, whenever you are calculating median, first thing you have to see whether the data is already arranged in ascending or descending order, then you need not change it, and if it is not arranged properly in the ascending or descending order, then according to your choice, arrange it first. This is the first step, whereas in the case of mean, you are not arranging the data in any particular order. Whatever order is given, you are calculating mean according to the formula. But in the case of median, you will arrange the data first. So in this case, when we are taking this, arranging the data, now which is the median over here? You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 are here. Which is the central figure? 146, and this is median, right? This is the central figure, and you have arranged the data. 3 are on this side, 3 are on the other side. The central figure is 146, and this is median. This is the simple way of calculating median by observing the series, right? But in the case of different type of series, individual, discrete and continuous series, you have to apply certain formula to calculate median, which we will be taking up just now. Now let us discuss the methods of calculating median. What are the methods? There are mainly 2 methods of calculating median. One is algebraic method and second is graphic method. In the algebraic method, we have calculation of mean in the case of 3 type of series. These are individual series, discrete series and continuous series. So these are 3 type of series, and we will see how the median is calculated in different type of series by using different formula. And this graphic method we will take up later after completing this part, algebraic method. Okay. Now let us move to different methods, that algebraic method or the methods of calculating median in the case of different series.